students, welcome to Chemistry Chance. In this video we are learning about Schrödinger wave equation in the form of hydrogen atom. So hydrogen atom is a system of one electron and one proton, and in this we assume that proton is stationary and electron is moving about its state, but the potential energy of the electron is the amount of work done in bringing the electron from infinity to distance r. So the potential energy is given by V is equals to minus ZE into E divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R. So the Schrödinger wave equation for one three-dimension box is given by curl square psi by curl x square plus curl square psi by curl y square plus curl square psi by curl z square plus 8 pi square m divided by h square e minus v psi is equals to 0. Now put the value of v, so the equation will become curl square psi by curl x square plus curl square psi by curl y square plus curl square psi by curl z square plus 8 pi square m divided by h square e minus and minus plus z e square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r. Psi is equals to 0, and in this proton is stationary, so the value of z is equals to 1 for protons. Now put the value of z, so equation will become curl square psi by curl x square plus curl square psi by curl y square plus curl square psi by curl z square plus 8 pi square m divided by h square e plus z e square 4 pi epsilon naught r. Psi is equals to 0. Now Schrödinger wave equation in terms of polar coordinates. So there are three polar coordinates, that is r, theta and phi. So convert these equations into polar coordinates. So the equation will become 1 by r square curl by curl r, r square curl psi by curl r plus 1 by sin theta curl by curl theta sin theta curl psi by curl theta plus 1 by sin square theta curl square psi by curl phi square plus 8 pi square m divided by h square e plus e square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r into psi is equals to 0. Now this is equation 1, and this is the second order differential equation which has three variables, that is r, theta and phi. In order to separate these variables, it is necessary to assume that it is a product of three variables, that is r, theta, theta and phi. So equation will become psi is equals to psi r, theta and phi. So it will become r, theta, theta, phi. So in this r is a function of r only. R is a function of only, which means that it depends only on r and independent on theta and phi. Then theta is a function of theta only, and which means that it is a function of theta only and it is independent on r and phi. Now phi is a function of phi only, which means that it is a function of only phi and it is depend only on phi and it is independent on r and theta. So this will be given by curl psi by curl r. So there are theta and theta will remain same and phi will remain same. So there will be curl r divided by curl r. So curl psi by curl theta. So r will remain same and phi will remain same, and there is a differentiation of theta, curl theta. Now curl phi by curl psi by curl phi. So r will remain same, theta will remain same, and curl phi divided by curl phi. Now there are the solution of phi, theta and r that are given by this equation, that is one by under root 2 pi e raised to the power plus minus iota ml phi, and in this the value of ml is equals to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2. Now the solution for theta is equals to 2l plus 1 into l minus mod of m factorial divided by l plus mod of m factorial p l raised to the power mod of m cos theta, and in this p l m is Legendre polynomial. The solution for r is equals to minus 2z divided by n a naught raised to the power 3 n minus l minus 1 factorial divided by 2n n plus l raised to the power 3 factorial into exponent raised to the power minus l by 2 into p raised to the power l summation n is equals to 1 to 2l plus 1 rho minus r, and in this the value of rho is equals to 2z divided by n a naught into r, and r is a radial wave function and theta and phi is an angular wave function, and the value of r depends on n and l, and the value of theta and phi depend on L and M. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.